the pettiest thing you've done after a breakup. मेरे को तो लगता है बहुत अच्छी चीज है, ठीक है, पेटी नहीं है. मैं तो सब चीजें जला दी थी जो भी उसने मुझे गिफ्ट दिया ना कि
Oh, great.
forgot.
Actually, you did that?
Yeah.
Oh, crazy.
Yeah, I did it.
That.
Hi, I'm Kanchi.
And I'm Riya.
You're officially part of the Summer Party squad.
So welcome back to the Spoke to Soon pod.
Kenavita was on time today, so we don't have a rhyme. That was wrong, the rhyme.
Great. Keep it. The intro's done. Welcome.
Welcome, Kenna, on the pod.
Woohoo.
So excited to have you.
We're so sorry we never mess up like this.
It's okay. मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि हो रहा है mess up कब से, पर ठीक है. हम 15 मिनट से intro shoot कर रहे हैं guys.
No, because we're in the fun vibes with her
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
She entered and started making us
The
laugh.
energy.
I think ये तुम्हारा सबसे वैसा वाला होगा intro. कि भाई अरे we don't give a damn types.
No, we do good.
No, we don't.
As in this मेरे साथ तुम लोग ऐसे हो गए हो क्या ये time पे.
We love that. You bring that vibe. We want that. That's the
That chill
slumber
vibe,
party.
yeah.
I love the validation that you're giving me. Really, I'm telling you.
When's the last time you had a slumber party with your girlfriends?
Slumber party is like you wear night stuff like right. I don't
Just like
Sleepover.
chill.
sleepovers. Okay. Oh my god. I'm on your pod and I don't know this.
So this is your slumber party.
Yeah, this is like see, I'm married. Okay, I wanna be with my husband all the
But she's
time.
married, we didn't know, huh? Say no more.
I wanna be with my husband all the time. So I'm out of that zone now. I feel. To
But do you miss your girls?
we meet every day.
okay.
Like
We all
we have a
do
group.
sleepovers.
Yeah, just sleepovers because some of them have children and then.
Oh my god, yeah, shit, yeah.
How will we do summer party when we get married?
No, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. हम लोग नहीं करते. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तुम नहीं कर सकते हो.
Yeah, once you have kids and all, what do you do?
We'll bring them.
Yeah, वो बड़े होना का वेट करना पड़ता है यार, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है.
हाँ,
बच्चे
correct.
बहुत परेशानी है, तुमको पता नहीं है अभी. Like it's a headache.
Yeah, I saw another pod of yours where you said that you didn't want kids.
Like
Can I tell you one thing?
Yeah,
what I
please tell.
felt after?
Because I told her
क्या
this.
कुछ बोला मैंने ऐसा जो तुझे दिल पे लग गई?
नहीं यार.
I said something very nice that if Kenavita and Shalak don't have kids, that means the world is not going to get a good-looking kid.
Yeah, I get that a lot, bro.
What about that?
यार मेरे को ये बहुत बोलते हैं लोग comment
Yeah,
section में.
because you all are both very
Yeah.
good looking. बस अभी हो गया.
Okay. हाँ तो
Don't you feel that?
like see मेरे को ऐसा है कि I want to live my life to the
Yeah.
fullest. Okay, I don't want that responsibility right now. I'm not ready for it.
Yeah.
Maybe in future if I change my mind, then it's
Yeah.
like that. Okay, because there are so many options now. You can have
Yeah, of
pregnancy
course.
later also in life.
Yeah.
You can do. You can adopt also.
Yes.
Like
Yeah.
if at all कुछ भी नहीं होगा, if I forget to get my eggs freezed, then I will adopt a child. If not that, if I don't adopt cats and dogs, then I'll
Yeah.
adopt a child. Like I'll
Yeah.
do that, like that. Like I don't want to.
But this was my first reaction.
Yeah, bro,
when
I get that a lot, but even I feel that way.
Yeah.
कि भाई हमारे jeans का क्या मतलब है इतने सुंदर
Yeah,
jeans का? More than me, I think शालक का.
मतलब एकदम she's like,
I'm a husband's girl. I told you ना. I told you yesterday.
Yes, I was going to tell her that she said she's a husband.
that's so
Yes.
cute.
I'm my
It's a nice
husband's girl.
term. I never heard of it before.
Eh, कुछ
I'm
भी.
not girl's girl. Like,
I've heard boyfriend's girl also,
Yeah.
but we don't know na too many people that are married, so that's why.
That is why maybe.
Husband's
When you
girl
get
is-
married now, you will know कि ऐसा क्यों
yeah,
है.
husband's
what
girl.
is a husband's girl?
Like you like अभी मैं आपको बताती हूँ ठीक है मैं 2 दिन से हुआ है
Yeah.
मुझे यहाँ पे आके ठीक है
Hmm.
I have reached पहले मैं दिल्ली गई फिर मैं बॉम्बे आई सो मैं दिल्ली जैसे ही पहुंची मैं मेरे हस्बैंड को मैसेज किया कि ब्रो I want to come back home I can't do this without you I want to be with you I'll show you messages later okay but I am that way like I can't stay away for more than 24 hours
Oh my God.
yeah that is a problem
He can't
Not
come
a
with you
problem.
क्या?
He also
He's
has
working.
work.
काम धंधा नहीं है कुछ और काम नहीं है मेरा क्या
He can say na, my wife is a content creator, I'm going trip लेना है.
My wife is getting
Dick.
an award.
Yeah, bro.
बट लाइक वो आता है ऐसे जब नीडेड
Yeah,
होता
he
है
comes. I've seen him a lot.
I just can't stay away ऐसा मतलब I just want to be around him it's just the comfort zone that is there like that is he's my home that way
Yeah, that's so
like
nice.
you just want to be there
Yeah.
That's so cute.
But now your
यार.
work is like thoda demanding you
Yeah.
to travel and
you know I have just not shifted completely but I've just got a house on rent. अभी
Okay.
एक महीना हो गया, but I've stayed here only for 4 days because I can't live away. Like I can't stay away from my husband.
Oh, you got a house on rent in Bombay so that you can come and stay and then
Yeah.
work here and
Yeah,
all.
yeah.
Oh shit.
But I like मैंने पूरे महीने का रेंट भरा है, पर मैं 4 दिन रही हूँ सिर्फ. ऐसा है प्रॉब्लम थोड़ा सा, मैं रह नहीं पाती, थोड़ा ऐसा है इशू मेरे को, उसके बिना नहीं रहना चाहती मैं.
I think then traveling is
cute,
best.
yaar.
Rather
Like
traveling.
I come when I stay, I do my work, I go back. That is easy थोड़ा सा.
Yeah, but you don't mind traveling back and forth for
I
work.
hate traveling वैसे तो, like I don't like traveling, but when I'm here I love it. Like
Yeah.
now
Then
we're
it's
doing
worth it.
this,
Yeah,
it's
then it's
fun. Like
fun, yeah.
3 hours I'll be okay, like
Yes.
happy. Then I'll go home.
And then you'll be like,
Like what is this? I want to go back home. What is this?
I think it's more staying alone at home, like without your husband.
yeah,
है
that
ना?
is what. Like I can stay away from anybody and everybody, but not my husband. Like it's
Wow.
that way for me.
But you realize that after you got married. Like
Yeah,
before
bro.
that you wouldn't have.
No,
na?
I was girlfriend's
boyfriend's
boyfriend's
girl.
boyfriend's girl, and then I'm now husband's girl.
What was the longest distance like you all stayed?
Not more than 3-4 days.
What?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Lockdown में we were away. That time also I was so crazy. ठीक है, I will just go out to get groceries and stuff. Then I'll like detour to his house, like bye, and then I'll go back. ऐसा I'll do that. ऐसा मैं करती थी. जब मेरे माँ बाप को पता नहीं था मैं उसको डेट कर रही हूँ. मम्मी सॉरी.
Now you're married now. What is
मतलब मेरी मम्मी बोलती है अभी भी मेरी मम्मी पता है कैसी है. मैं जब भी बताती हूँ, अभी तो पता चल गया पूरी दुनिया को कि हम 7 साल से साथ में हैं, ठीक है. तो मेरी मम्मी बोलती है इतना लंबा टाइम से साथ में हो, तो तुमने क्या किया था? किस किया था कि पहले? मैंने बोला क्या मम्मी मेरे से सवाल मत पूछो. मेरी मम्मी बेचारे बहुत, शी इज वेरी इनोसेंट. ठीक है, इसको उनको पहले से पता था कि आई एम विथ हिम, बट वैसे शी थॉट कि ऐसे पपी लव होता है ना, वैसा है.
Like not
शी इज
serious.
वेरी इनोसेंट दैट वे कि उनको ऐसे वो देखती थी कि शायद आ रहा है मेरे कैफे पे, एंड देन हम लोग बैठते थे साथ में, तो उनको ऐसा लगता था कि ऐसे ही है थोड़ा ये वो.
They're meeting, they're chilling.
हाँ, no, not children.
They're
She knew that
friends.
they are ऐसे थोड़ा है, but
Yeah,
इतना है वो
not
नहीं पता
serious,
था.
yeah.
Damn.
ऐसा
I heard he got an apartment. I probably saw that pod. He got an apartment near the
Yes,
cafe to
yes.
meet you and see you all the time.
Yeah,
and spend a lot of time together.
So we started dating and see, so मैंने बहुत काम किया, ठीक है. मैं जब 16-17 साल की तब से मैं काम पे लग गई हूँ, ठीक है. मैंने पहले ही मेरे पापा के साथ उनकी क्लोथिंग बिजनेस में काम किया, लाइक डिजाइनिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. देन आई शिफ्टेड टू डूइंग ज्वेलरी, देन आई शिफ्टेड टू डूइंग कैफे, ठीक है.
What cafe like was
So it was
it?
a dessert cafe. Yeah, dessert cafe I had, and it was like really good. Okay, it was
What was the name? Can you tell me?
Ice Cream Factory नाम था. It is there in Bombay also.
Okay.
That branch.
हाँ.
But we curated our own desserts.
Wow.
Yeah, there. So उसी टाइम पे we started dating. वो phase ही था तब. And he's like कि it's just like 1 minute of walking. So I'll just get my house here only, so I can we can meet and we can chill and ऐसा. Because उसको पता था कि मैं बाहर से इतना नहीं मिलूंगी ऐसा, क्योंकि मैं I was that person कि मेरे को publicly बताना नहीं कि हम डेट करें. अब मेरी शादी से पहले, मतलब हमारा engagement हुआ उससे पहले, मैंने एक फोटो नहीं डाली उसके साथ. I kept it so private.
Like only like few people knew in your life.
Yeah, my friends knew. Like बड़ौदा बहुत छोटा जगह है, तो people knew that way, but not officially out there, not everybody ऐसा.
Yeah.
Because उस टाइम पे भी 10,000 फॉलो तो थे मेरे यार, ऐसा नहीं है.
Sorry,
She's that girl.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm that girl.
10,000 ऐसे.
Followers without
Bro, मैं
content.
ऐसे थोड़ा बहुत क्रिएट करती थी पहले कंटेंट, बट मेरे को ऐसे जॉनर नहीं मिल रहा था प्रॉपर मजबूत कि अरे व्हाट एक्चुअली आई एम गुड एट, वो नहीं समझ आ रहा था मुझे. इसीलिए थोड़ा सा ऐसा टाइम लग गया. 2016 से ही कर रही थी मैं तो कंटेंट क्रिएशन. बट धीरे धीरे समझ आता ना कि अरे यार हम फैशन नहीं कर सकते, हम स्टाइलिंग नहीं कर सकते, हम बकबक कर सकते हैं.
Yes, that is your niche.
That's why you're here.
बकवास करवा लो.
Bro, yeah, your niche more than buck I feel is feel good vibes.
Yeah,
bro.
comfort
Someone
vibes.
will look at your videos में हाँ like now I'm
Their
home,
mood will
like,
be
I'm
happy.
good.
Yeah. So मैं जब कंटेंट क्रिएशन चालू किया था ना, एंड मेरा जो फर्स्ट वीडियो वायरल गया था उसके नीचे मैंने कमेंट्स पढ़े थे. ओके, सो मैं वो कमेंट्स पढ़ के ऐसा सोचती थी कि आई एम मेकिंग समवन स्माइल, लाइक बिकॉज व्हेन आई वाज अ चाइल्ड मेरे को ऐसे नॉट लाइक आई वाज नॉट वेरी ऐसा कि बहुत बबली नहीं थी, लाइक दैट वाज माय पर्सनालिटी, बट आई वाज मैं बहुत ऐसे फ्रेंडशिप में बहुत वीक थी, लाइक फ्रेंड्स बना नहीं पाती थी, बहुत ऐसा होता था. But when that happened, ke okay, I'm making someone smile, because that was missing in my life. So I was like, if I can make someone smile, then I would love to do that all my life.
It's
That's so
worth it.
nice.
Yeah.
What?
Goosebumps आ रहे हैं। वाह यार, मैं तो इमोशनल भी होती हूँ.
But I can't tell that you were like that.
Yeah,
type
I
of
can't
girl.
tell you were not.
We had a full length discussion अभी बाहर
When
about
did the switch happen?
like majorly after I started working properly, like
Yeah.
the recognition and
Yeah.
then validation little bit थोड़ा
Confidence.
हाँ confidence was missing थोड़ा school
yeah.
time में I was थोड़ा वैसे तो पढ़ाई में अच्छे नहीं टीचर बोल करने वाले ऐसा होता है ना तो मैंने वैसे थोड़ा था ऐसा भी ठीक है जाने
एकदम
दो.
my stories like yours.
See that is why I
No,
told you.
genuinely. I'm listening to you. I'm like, हाँ, say bro. I'm
Say.
listening. You say.
Yeah, देखा
Number 6.
that number 28
Yeah.
June.
Guys, what we're talking about is that Kenavita yesterday told me that we have something in common. And I'm like, what do we have in common? She's like, Ria's birthday and her husband's birthday is on the same day.
Yeah.
28 June.
Yes.
The first time Kenan and I met, she was like, oh, so when's your birthday? And all casually, I was like, 28th June. She was like,
What?
now I'm attached. She's like,
Yeah, I'm attached fully. Like you are 28th June, you're a Cancer. I love you. Even if whatever happens in life, even if we fall out, I will always love you, bro.
no,
मतलब
no,
we
for
will
us,
not
I am
have
your second husband.
मतलब just saying कि ऐसा.
Yeah.
Cute. And their birthdays or whatever, I don't know the numerology behind it. They'll tell
Number
you.
6.
They'll
Number
tell you.
6.
Yes, 6th November, 6th September.
Yeah, number 6. I'll tell you, ठीक है ये
She
सब.
is into numbers.
No, I was not, okay? I have heard that 2026 is year for number 6, okay?
Let's go.
So that is why I started believing in it
Yeah.
because I'm a number 6.
You should. When you believe it, it happens.
Yeah, so-
Manifest it.
Let's go.
Manifest
Manifest.
Yeah.
You
So
are also there.
yeah, number 1 also. If तुम अगर number 1 जुड़ जाए ना number 6 के साथ,
तो it's iconic.
जिंदगी सफल हो जाएगी.
Let's go.
जिंदगी
Me and
सफल.
Ria.
Let's make it happen. Even you and Sahil.
Yes.
Yes.
Insane.
Yeah.
So basically, very good year for Kanchi.
So this is so
also
true.
good year
देखा?
for me.
This is so true. You and
Yeah.
Sahil, you both, me and my husband. We
Yeah.
are ideal matches, yeah.
Yeah.
Spitzvilla are watching.
No, no, yeah.
Ideal matches.
यार और क्या टर्म होता है उसके लिए?
No, ideal
We are made for each other.
Yeah, made for each other.
Love that.
So cute, yaar.
Thank
So
you,
now
yaar.
tell me something about number 28.
Number
One,
28.
about
number
number
1. Okay. Number 1 is the most beautiful number. I think I easily fall in love with number 1. The whole and sole reason for loving number 1 is because my husband is number 1. Because I'm like
Husband's girl.
So if you are number 1, I love you. That's it.
Everyone that's
And if you're number 6, then you are
What
going to be very, very, very
Iconic.
successful in life.
Yeah.
In 2026, this is your year, guys. Please.
Let's go. All number 6s, good luck.
Yes.
Milk it.
और नहीं हुआ तो फिर क्या करेंगे?
No, we manifest.
It will happen, yaar. It
होगा,
has
होगा.
to
It's already
happen.
happening.
Yes.
It's
See?
happening. Yeah.
Cool. I want a hot take from you.
Hmm.
Okay. As a as a millennial from a small town, give me a hot take you have on a Gen Z from a big city.
Bro, I don't have any takes on Gen Zs to be honest because I feel like we Gen Zs and millennials are very different.
Yeah, of
very
course.
different, and I can't relate. Like I can't relate to most of the things, but I still try to because I am borderline Gen Z. Okay, so 1997 के बाद Gen Z. I'm 1996 born. So मुझे ऐसा
1996, damn.
Missed it.
yeah missed it यार वो community में मैं नहीं आ पाई.
She's like, thank God, नहीं आ पाई.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. And मैं पर पता है I feel like Gen Zs are more mindful of what they want. ऐसा
Yeah.
like they are very वैसा के you know they'll take care of their
Yes.
themselves and वो सब बहुत है जो हम लोग ने शायद हम लोग ऐसे नहीं है. We are very carefree के हमको जो करना है हम वही करेंगे life में ऐसा. That is something very different.
I think there are two types of Gen Z. Somehow you're saying ki they're very health conscious,
Mindful, yeah.
mindful. They go to the gym, they don't drink, they don't smoke, they eat healthy, all that stuff. And then there's the other side that vapes a little too much.
Yeah.
With boundaries nahi hai. Like they go out a lot.
Yeah.
They don't eat
They don't
healthy.
have a
They sleep at
schedule,
5 a.m.
yeah.
There's a mix of
It's either this or that, I feel.
yeah.
मतलब ऐसा completely ऐसा नहीं हुआ. This is what I have heard कि Gen Z ऐसे हैं अभी कि they are very mindful of what they want
They are,
like,
yeah.
for themselves, their bodies and things like that. But millennials are like that कि हमको हमारी life जीनी है. इसलिए मैं बोलती हूँ कि मुझे बच्चा नहीं करना because I want to live my life. That is the reason.
Yeah.
Like, do you plan to have kids ever in life? Like, do you want?
Yeah,
a
I
child?
want kids.
She
Do you want?
I have been in two minds. I started off with the thinking, I don't want kids. For one reason, mainly is because I'm scared of pregnancy.
Okay.
I feel that is
a very
very
Gen Z
scary.
thing, by the way. कि अरे मेरी body.
No, like she's scared of the trauma that
I'm
she
scared
go
of the
through.
trauma that
Yeah.
my body will go through.
Yeah, that is what.
I'm also very small. Like I'm very tiny.
So
I don't
Carry another
to
human.
carry another, like I don't know. I
But
don't
your
know.
body will grow, na? Once you like. Even I was not like this
Yeah.
when I was your age.
Huh.
I've grown.
Yeah, maybe I guess it'll adapt.
Yeah.
Now, as I'm getting older, I hate to say this, I'm getting older, but whatever. As I'm getting older,
Yeah.
I do find kids cuter. Like
Yeah.
first I used to
ऐसा
find
होता
them
है.
annoying.
That
Like,
motherly thing
Yeah.
comes.
Bro,
The
yeah.
hormones.
I used to find kids damn annoying. Like, and this Kanchi na, she manifests children na. Like, whatever trip you go on na with her, she'll be like, oh, that baby's so cute. Like, we'll be in the check-in car line or something. She'll be like, that baby's so cute, whatever. Somehow that baby has come and sat next to us.
ये इसका थोड़ा strong है मैंने बोला ना.
Bro, very strong. Very strong. Like, every trip we've gone on, if she says this kid is cute, that kid will be either in the row
But what about if
behind, in
Sorry
front.
to cut you.
So, no. How dare you? Say that.
What about?
But what about when they cry ऐसा like they are creating ऐसे public में वो कर रहे हैं तो क्या? I to feel like
Yeah, same I am.
but I will not
you
do that.
do
Like
feel irritated.
I feel the
But they are also human. Like 1-2 years में they'll grow up.
One, two, no, 8, 9, 10 years.
when I was a
Stop
child,
crying.
when I was a child, मेरी मम्मी मुझे बताती I was a very well mannered kid. Okay,
Yeah.
I would not cry. मतलब वो पेरेंट्स सिखाते कि भाई बदतमीजी मत करो. अभी तो कैसे होते हैं बच्चे थोड़े बहुत what I have heard of. आके तहस नहस करेंगे अपना ही समझेंगे ये क्या बदतमीजी.
No, but I will be a good parent. I will
Yeah, be a good parent. That
I'll
is
be a strict parent, so the kid.
exactly. So now ऐसा भी हो गया ना bro कि you can't be a strict
Yeah,
parent.
you can't. Gen Zs apparently think if you're a strict parent, the
You're
child is going to
toxic.
go through a lot.
Or trauma,
हाँ,
and you have to
yeah.
go to therapy.
But
and all that.
वही I think that is making everybody थोड़ा weak also.
Bro,
that way.
you know now.
Like there are two things in this.
Yeah.
कि या तो फिर तुम्हारा बच्चा बिल्कुल ही बिगड़ जाएगा कि तुम थोड़ा भी उसको नहीं कर रहे हो कंट्रोल या तो
और
फिर
it'll be-
it'll be a very good child कि ठीक है मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मेरे साथ हमेशा अच्छा रखा है तो मैं अच्छा ही रहूंगा.
Yeah, and you won't want to rebel against your parents because they are so good to you. But I feel now parents are like the kids are problematic. They don't even come say hi. They'll slap you thoda. They won't eat anything. They'll throw their food. They'll go and the parents will be like, she's like this
Yeah.
only. And
But
I'm like,
ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए ना.
It's
वही बोल रही हूँ.
not, yeah. They give the
not
iPad
right.
Yeah,
wherever
पर
they
वो भी हो
go.
गया कि अरे इसने मेरे पे हाथ कैसे उठाया अब तो मैं पुलिस कंप्लेंट बहुत लोग करते हैं
Yeah,
यार.
the kids. You know,
Kids do this. कि my parents have done this. I don't want to live with them.
like you know, teachers get a lot of complaints. Like if they do this much also to the kid. or
Yeah,
anything,
yeah.
How
Yeah.
can you do that to my kid?
how can
That's
you
not-
touch me?
Yeah.
But मतलब मारना तो नहीं चाहिए.
Yeah.
But you should थोड़ा
Even if they scold, they're like, how can you scold my child?
नहीं scolding is little bit is necessary.
It's necessary,
also,
of
but
course.
hitting is not good.
Hitting is not.
No.
No, out.
I don't know about this upbringing thing, but I would say children are irritating.
Ria, you will get a lot of hate on this. Do you know this?
But it's true.
She's prepared.
I'll say, yeah. And anyway, I get a lot of hate, so it's fine you hate me. But
I don't agree to this. I want you to get most.
okay, children are a little bit irritating, but they're also cute.
I'd say this. This is fine. Hannah. Come on, Hannah.
She'll say the first thing.
Yeah, for the engagement.
No, yaar. Don't do this with her.
You
ऐसा.
go through our
Bro,
comments.
I want people to love you. Like I know that you're a good person, so don't do this to yourself. Don't listen to her.
But yeah, I heard on the pod again what to do. I heard on the pod that you say your parents are damn chill. Like once by mistake I said in front of my dadi that she was like talking about my future and my marriage and whatever, and I was like I don't want kids, and she was like, huh? And then for 1-2 hours she just
She
sat
gave you
with
an
me. She gave me a
explanation.
lecture. She was like, this is what you learn in life. This is what will happen. How can you let go of this? Blah blah blah. So how did you navigate?
So अभी भी मेरे पेरेंट्स को होता है ऐसा नहीं है कि completely like कि हाँ ठीक है मत करो ऐसा कोई बात नहीं ऐसा नहीं है like they also have this thing but then I'm older now like I can take my own decisions ऐसा so they are okay, like they listen to me like ऐसा नहीं कि ऐसा
करो
तुम हमारे जनरेशन के लोगों से बात करोगे ना तो तुमको पता चलेगा कि they are like वो लोग बात करते हैं ना कभी अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ तो now they understand कि why we don't want kids और ऐसा सब बट देन इट्स ओके ऐसा तुमको करना तो तुम करो नहीं करना तो मत करो ऐसा
So I feel like one thing Gen Zs are missing in their life, okay, is a long-term relationship. And I feel like a way to cope with some people's red flags. Like, you know, Gen Z, where ye galat hai, like now I don't want to be with this person,
Yeah.
and they'll walk
Yeah.
out.
Like one bad thing and it's an
it's
end.
done.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I feel like, do you have advice to give them that how do you stay in a long-term relationship
Yeah.
because you have dated for so long and then you got married and all?
Yeah, I feel like मैं भी ऐसी थी ठीक है. When I was young, I was
Yeah.
also like that. कि I will walk away, I'll do this and this. But I feel like looking at other person's you know expectations and then fulfilling them as
Yeah.
well. It's not like one person is just fulfilling your this thing ऐसा कि कोई red flag सब मेरे में भी है, तुम में भी है, तुम में भी है, सब में है red flags. ऐसा नहीं, nobody is perfect that way. So I think मेरे husband में भी है red flags, ऐसा नहीं है. And I'm sure he feels that even I have
Yeah.
red flag. But then holding on to the good part is something which is very important. Like even Gen Zs should थोड़ा ऐसे think about it on a longer term कि कितने pros हैं और कितने cons हैं ऐसा कि why do you see one con and then there are 6-7 pros also.
Yeah.
Why don't you focus on them कि एक perfect कोई भी नहीं होता और हमें पता है अपने को कि perfect नहीं होता. Then why do you want to fall into that trap? Then तो you'll never find it.
Yeah. It's worth like taking the risk and going for it.
And मेरा और शालक का भी I'll tell you, okay, when we were dating, there have been so many times that we have thought of parting ways.
Yeah.
Like initially only there was like almost we were ऐसा था कि नहीं रहना है साथ में, okay, कि खत्म है अभी नहीं खत्म. But then we met and then we spoke about it. We're like we'll give it a like one more try. Then if we because we really loved each other, like we wanted to be there with each other. So that is why I think. और भी बोलूं क्या?
I love her.
No, that was very nice, yeah.
Yeah, I
That's
think you
true.
have to like Gen Zs are very like if something happens, okay, get rid of it. Like you need to go through that rough patch
Yeah.
to
Yeah,
experience
fight it.
the good thing.
But then when you like get through that rough
Yeah.
patch, the relationship is even stronger.
Yeah.
Like it's so strong. Right now, we have so many fights. अभी भी ठीक है. But never ever you feel like नहीं रहना है ऐसा.
Yeah.
In 10 minutes you'll talk
yes.
because that is home, yeah. Like
Yeah. Like letting go is not an option.
Like do you
fix it?
Huh, do you
Yes.
you also have fights with your parents?
Yeah.
Do you let go of them? No.
Never.
Yeah.
So it's the same way.
Because
like,
they're family, right? That's the
Yeah.
mindset you have to go in with.
yeah, exactly.
Very nice.
We know that you live with your in-laws and your like relationship with them is really fun and like touch wood really
Must,
great.
it is too
Love
good,
that.
yeah.
But I feel Gen Zs are not so open to living with in-laws. Like they feel like they have boundaries and they don't want to like
Or like sometimes I feel they feel if they live with their in-laws and like say even if I do get along with my sasural ka people, I really want to say sasural. If I do get along with my sasural ka people also, then if we live together then complications will come up because we'll spend so much time together and then we won't like each other.
like
so
you
that's
don't
a fear.
ruin the good bond you have.
Correct. Yeah. So like how like what do you do?
Like सबका अपना अपना है bro. Like अभी if you don't want to live, it's okay. But then like for me it was non-negotiable. Okay, I always wanted to live with the family because I need that comfort. Like I was always like this with my mother-in-law since the start. With my father-in-law also, you don't see him on camera, but then he is like. I want to go back home to them. It's like that. Also. Like the same way I want to go back home to Shiloh.
Yeah.
The same way I want to go back home to them as well. So I think it's your choice, of course.
Yeah.
But then you know, you having elders around. So मेरा और Shiloh का जब भी fight होता है, बहुत fight होता है, ठीक है? So they come in between whenever we are fighting and they tell us that this is right and this is wrong. And it's very important for you to have that.
Yeah.
Like if they are not getting involved, then maybe हमारा और खराब fight हो सकता है because
Like
that
it can
perspective
be bad.
yeah, that perspective is very necessary. Like because they are older
Yeah,
and then they
they're
know
experienced.
yeah, they're experienced and then they can explain you better. I feel that is very important. That was very important for me since the start. Like I don't want like I know that I love this man, so I don't want anything to go wrong between us. That is why I wanted someone elder to be around. Like not someone, I wanted my in-laws to be around so that this doesn't go away.
Yeah.
Like I wanted that.
Like in the
always.
heat of the moment, nothing will go wrong.
Exactly. So that perspective you need is what I feel. Like everybody can have their own perspective, but like मेरा content ही उस बारे में कि I want people to live with their in-laws. I want them to experience this feeling of loving them as well, the way you love your
I
parents.
feel people can't just judge and say from now that I don't want to live with my in-laws.
Yeah.
Like maybe if like they should try.
Yeah,
it a
they
shot.
should
Give it a
try.
shot.
Give it a shot.
No one's telling you do it.
Yeah,
Try it
exactly.
out. If it's not for you, don't. But if you're liking it and if it's healthy, you like the family vibe,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
like the atmosphere, why not?
The way you said na ki boundaries and all,
Huh.
I feel like those are not boundaries. Those are guidelines for you
Yeah.
to have that healthy relationship with your in-laws as well. Like if something I don't like, ठीक है,
Yeah.
my mother-in-law knows that I don't like
Huh.
this, so she will not come cross that boundary. And same way goes with like
Yeah.
from my
Yeah.
side also, and same as with my father-in-law also. They will not come in every situation and then they'll
Huh.
aisa.
Yeah.
But that respect is there, na?
Yeah, that respect
two-way
is there.
It
respect
has
is
to
there.
be, I think, both the people have to understand each other, like the in-laws and like
Yes,
you have to
yes.
understand.
But that also you have to give time. Like
Yeah.
एकदम से नहीं होगा.
You can't expect it
Yeah.
from the first day, like, oh my god.
Because you know your parents, you know the guy, but you have just entered the
Yeah.
family. You
Yeah.
have to give them time
To adjust.
to adjust. Even they will adjust. It's not just you, like
Yeah.
your habits, the way you live. मेरे तो बहुत ही अलग है habits. मैं आपको बताऊंगी तो आप चक्कर खा जाओगे ऐसा.
Tell us something
No
weird.
यार.
Something
It's
weird.
okay. Don't go too personal यार.
Something cute, chal.
Like what?
Like random thing
Like
you
what
do.
time do you wake up?
I wake up at 8.
Great.
Oh, wow.
Same pinch.
Okay, that's good.
Number 6.
What's a habit, a weird habit of yours?
What's something that like you did and they were like, this girl is unique.
Oh, aisa? So I have this habit of coming home after work and I will not go to my husband. Like I will not go to my room.
My husband's room.
Yeah, I will go to my in-laws' room. Like this side is my mother-in-law's room and father-in-law's room, and this side is Charlotte's room. My
Your
his
room.
Whatever, like it's confusion, man. My brain is little.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I will go sit there and I will just lie down on her tummy like that, and I will talk to her for 10 minutes so that you know
It's
that.
Literally
like
how you go home and talk to your mom and tell her about
yeah.
it.
So I do that. So I want to develop that with her. Like I want her to feel that I am her daughter.
That's
Okay.
the
So
sweetest
and
thing.
we are developing that. Like
That's
it
so
did not
nice.
happen like this.
ऐसे ही.
Yeah.
Every day that those 10 minutes are so special. Like I want to be there. Like for her. Like even she is that way. Na कि वो कभी she's never experienced how a daughter feels.
Yeah.
So even they are my father-in-law. मैं तुमको बताती हूँ ठीक है. Very funny thing. He looks very strict, okay? And he is very वैसा. He'll not talk to anybody ऐसे. He's not that social. He'll not go to events, marriages, this, that. And he is, if you meet him today, you will feel like you can't talk to him actually ऐसे. You have to give it time. But since I have come in the house, bro, वो मेरे से सबसे ज़्यादा घर में बात करते कि ते जमियो, did you eat, did you क्या थी आई, क्या जाए शे, केटला वागे आइस, everything he'll ask me.
Okay, so you spoke about your bond like with your in-laws, and we know like your videos are so cute with your mother-in-law. But we had this question yesterday, we were thinking about it, that you make content with her.
Yeah.
But how does it feel to make content with her when it's actually your work? Like, how do you have to tell her, okay, this is a brand video, in this we
Yeah.
have to do like this, like we have to like do it.
Like, what if that day she has to go somewhere and the brand is like, आज ही भेजना है video.
Like I am very that way, okay? If she's not comfortable and or because she's also working, so I don't pressurize her for things like that. And same goes with her also. Like she will make time for me if I need to shoot it ऐसा. मतलब it's both ways ऐसा. But when she's not there, so I tell the brand के sorry, can't
Not
do
possible.
it, not possible. Like that is very easy between us. Because we both understand each other's work,
Yeah.
and she's also very supportive towards me. I'm like, you can see, of course, मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ ये सब. But yeah.
Does she like looking at herself in the videos?
Yeah.
Does she
She's
get
like,
recognized?
of course, bro. Like,
Crazy.
of course, like abhi whenever she goes out for any events of her own, like वो ऐसे she does her क्या बोलते हैं exhibitions and everything. More than the exhibition, people are coming to click pictures with her also. Yeah.
That's so cute.
Yeah.
She must be like that
अरे मैं
happy,
थक गई हूँ फोटो खिंचवा के इतना बत्ता लोको तने सू कहूँ कहना she is that okay वो बाप रे वो तो सू कहूँ थोड़े दिन पहले there are these two girls okay वो लोग हमारी गाड़ी का नंबर नोट कर लिया उसने कहीं से मेरे और वो घर पे पहुंच गई टू मीट एवरीबडी ठीक है तो मेरी मदर इन लॉ को कि आंटी आपके साथ फोटो खिंचवाना ही पड़ेगा आंटी कहना दीदी कहाँ ऐसा और मतलब घर का है मतलब ऐसा थोड़ा
Address reveal?
Crazy.
वही थोड़ा ऐसा थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया
Yeah, that's too much.
या एंड देन दे लाइक ऐसा करते हैं तो वो सब बहुत थोड़ा है अभी मतलब लोग बहुत पागल ऐसे कि जितना मेरा फैन फॉलोइंग है उतना ही उनका भी है ऐसा है
Wow.
फॉर शायलक आल्सो इट्स दैट
Yeah.
शायलक का भी काफी है All
Wow,
three of
yaar,
us.
that's so
Famous
cute.
family.
That's
Famous family.
You know how people have like channels like you can have Nelson family, like you know how people have family channels.
Yeah,
You can do ऐसा bro.
I तो कल मैंने पहली बार बोला कहीं पे कि this is Kenavita Golani Nelson. So I'm gonna do that for you also. From now onwards, I'm gonna say Kenavita Golani Nelson.
Wow.
Yeah.
I तो saved ऐसे ही your name also.
Kenavita Golani Nelson और Kenavita Nelson.
Oh my god.
मैं कल पहली बार ऐसे पब्लिकली बोला है मतलब मेरी वेडिंग वीडियो में मेरे पापा ऐसे हम जब तब तो ये सब कुछ मैं करने नहीं थी इतना तो मेरे पापा बोल रहे थे वीडियो में ऐसे वेडिंग वीडियो बनाते तो बोल रहे थे कि वन डे व्हेन आई एम एट द एंड ऑफ माय लाइफ और माय करियर और व्हाटएवर आई विल लुक अप टू हर एंड आई फील लाइक वाओ दिस इज Kenavita Golani Nelson and I feel like he actually manifested it for me like my father did that for me he is looking at me today and saying कि wow this is Kenavita Golani Nelson.
I have 2 questions actually. What's your favorite Sindhi meal?
दाल पकवान एनी डे
love dal pakwan.
मैं जहाँ पे भी कभी मैंने यहाँ पे भी आई हूँ जैसे ही I have searched for dal I try dal pakwan in every city I
Bhagat
go.
Tarachand, you've had Bhagat Tarachand.
No, I went to some I don't remember which place.
Too good.
Kailash Parvat or
हाँ,
something.
yeah, that's also
वहाँ पे I
That's
tried.
also good.
Yeah. So that is all time favorite. और plus मेरी मम्मी के हाथ की सिंधी कढ़ी also. सिंधी कढ़ी का सबका घर का टेस्ट अलग होता है.
It's different, yes.
Everybody has
I've
their
had
own.
it at Riya's house once.
Yeah.
पर वैसे थोड़ा खट्टा और वैसा बनाते हैं घर पे इमली के पानी के साथ या जो भी आई डोंट नो
I don't know the recipe.
इवन आई डोंट मैं खाना नहीं बनाती थी सॉरी कामचोर नहीं हूँ पर मैं खाना नहीं बनाती मेरे हाथ से जो भी बनता है वो गंदा ही बनता है आई जस्ट नो इट
Same, I
मैं मैगी भी नहीं अच्छी बनाती आपको पता है मैं सिर्फ चाय अच्छी बनाती हूँ बस
Good.
Chai is also a good thing, bro. Even I want to make good coffee. बाकी का I can't do.
ये हमारे पास माचा एक्सपर्ट बैठी है
Yeah.
हर टाइप का माचा बना लेती है और हम 1 कप चाय बनाते हैं सिर्फ
थोड़ा she can cook also.
Yeah, like if someone tells me, helps me, then I can try to figure it out.
yeah
Can't cook. What's your favorite Gujju meal?
गुज्जू मील
Dhokla, don't say.
No. Wait. I like. I don't like ऐसे
What?
ऐसे particularly कुछ.
Sachur, what are you doing?
I love dal dhokli the most.
Oh, dal dhokli is so
Yes,
good.
I love it. Gujarati.
It's like dal dhokli is made every Sunday at my house. Almost
really?
every Sunday.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a Sunday meal.
Y'all have that what do y'all call it? Shak. Gujjus call it shak.
दाल भात शाक रोटली.
Yeah.
Every day होता है वो तो.
Shak means sabzi.
Sabzi, yeah.
Yeah.
अभी हम लोग एक गेम खेल रहे थे मैं और मेरी मदर इन लॉ वो मुझे पूछ रही थी कि वो हिंदी में बात कर रही थी और मैं गुजराती में बात हमारा ये चैलेंज था कि वो हिंदी में बात करेगी और मैं गुजराती में क्योंकि उनकी हिंदी तो माशाल्लाह है और मेरी गुजराती भी माशाल्लाह है ठीक है तो मुझे सब्जियों का नाम पूछ रही थी कि गुजराती में व्हाट डू यू कॉल फ्रेंच बीन्स को क्या बोलते हैं तो मैंने बोला फणसी
Fancy, yeah.
देन व्हाट डू यू कॉल टिंडोरा
Tindora!
टिंडोरा and then there's this phrase okay
Linda.
this vegetable that we make tomato potato and peas ka do you know how to pronounce it correctly
What do you call
it's
it?
like tomato batata watata something like that I don't know like tomato batata watana
Tomato, batata, banana.
हाँ टमाटा इसको बुलवा टमाटा बटाका वटाना हाँ बोल जोर से बोल जल्दी
Tomato, bataka, batata.
नहीं
Tomato, batana,
टमाटा
batata.
नहीं say it now properly once
Yours is Baroda Gujarati. Mine is Bombay
okay, यार,
Gujarati.
Chal na say na man.
Tomato, bataka,
Batana.
Batana.
what Gujju you'll become yaar you are sorry
Tomato, batata.
It's an what do you say alliteration? Like it's a tough thing to
say
say. It's a tongue twister.
Tomato,
bataka
bataka,
watana
watana.
now say it
Tomato, bataka, watana.
Whoa.
देखो पता है मुझे 1 साल लगा ये सीखने में
Maybe you're a good teacher.
Insane.
yeah
That was good. It's not so easy. It's not so tough to
no
say.
bro मैं तो जितना फास्ट बोलती हूँ ना उतना फंबल मारती हूँ
Tomato, bataka, watana.
देखा हुआ थोड़ा
No, no, that's all right.
टमेटा
Tomato, batana, but what the fuck?
what the fuck नहीं बोल सकते तुम्हारे पॉइंट पे बोल सकते
Sorry, हाँ बोल सकते हैं.
what the fuck
ससुर जी आप देख रहे हो?
मेरे ससुर जी को तुम मेरे ससुर जी मेरे घर में हम सब we can
Oh,
हाँ,
okay.
everybody like मेरे
They'll watch this pod.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
will?
They will.
They watch everything,
of
whatever you
course,
want.
Yes,
You
yes.
all watch together, everyone.
Like me, my mother-in-law, my husband, all of us watch. But my father-in-law वो छुप छुप के देखते हैं, ऐसे
Oh.
बताते हैं. मैंने बोला ना थोड़ा
Yeah.
Expressive नहीं है.
expressive नहीं है.
हाँ. So you watch and then you tell you, oh,
लेकिन-
you did this.
आ तो रील मैं पण जोई तू ऐसे बोलते हैं.
I also saw this reel.
हाँ, okay.
Yeah, मैं भी सीख रही हूँ गुजराती. It's okay यार.
Yours is good.
Yours is good.
Mine is good, but when I ऐसे flow में मैं नहीं बोल पाती हूँ कभी भी ऐसे.
Yeah.
मैं 2 sentence बोलूँगी उसके बाद I will stop because I know कि मैं फंबल मारूंगी ऐसा.
But that's still good. You're learning a lot.
Yeah,
यार.
2 साल हो गए यार मुझे शादी करके ना हो गई.
Okay,
Okay.
no one asked, but now I'm also saying my
Yeah,
favorite
please
food, and
say.
even you say.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'll say.
Okay, my favorite Sindhi food is Selmani.
Oh. You
I
explained
love
that there.
Selmani.
I've not had it yet.
I
And
don't
you
like it
have
that much.
What? I love it.
Like I just can't. Like I can eat it, but it's not my
What do
favorite.
you not like
love
about it?
Just the texture is very वैसा. Like I don't
Fair.
like the roti का वो. So I
Fair,
don't like
fair.
it.
I also love tuk.
Aloo tuk.
Aloo tuk.
Aloo
That
tikka
is
I've had.
nice.
That's one thing I would love,
had
and I
it.
like it.
Yeah. It would actually be one of your favorites.
Yeah, yeah.
But like हाँ, it is an iconic ऐसा dish.
Yeah.
It's
वैसे तो.
iconic. Yeah, Sindhi curry aloo tuk. And in Gujju, I think I really like khandvi.
Okay.
You don't like any of the things?
No, I like it. It's not like that.
I really
But
like
it's
it.
like
I had
Wiggly,
khandvi
yeah.
once at Kanchu's house.
Oh yes.
And I ate a lot of khandvi.
Yeah.
I also like the sweet dal. I know a lot of Gujjus don't like the sweetness in the
I
food.
don't like it.
But I don't
I love
mind
the
it.
khaman also.
I love khaman.
Khaman
I
is-
love sev khamni.
Sev
Oh my
khamni is
god.
What's that? What's that?
It's khaman, but like sev and all on it, and it's
Yeah,
like
it's like chura.
Khaman is dokla, no?
Khaman.
chura of dokla, like
Oh.
dokla and a chura.
Khaman,
from
yeah,
Let's
it.
have
chura.
that next time.
Oh my
Like
God.
I don't know what
I
is
love
made. वो किससे बना
Sev
हुआ है, but
khamni, especially that one place in Baroda where you get lassi and sev khamni. I don't know the place ka name, but I always go there and have it.
She also doesn't know.
I'll try to find out.
यार
sometime.
मैं ऐसा गुजराती फूड कभी एक्सप्लोर नहीं करती क्योंकि मेरा मैं बचपन से यही खाना खाती हुई आई हूँ कि सिंधी फूड
Yeah,
ऐसा मेजरली दैट क्योंकि घर खाया है मैंने ऐसा
Papad, you eat a lot of papad?
या
Very basic, but I love thepla. Like I can eat
थेपला is
thepla
also, yeah,
day
that's
in and day
comfort,
out.
that's
That's
comfort.
comfort.
जब हमारे घर में कुछ नहीं बनना होता ना तब वही बनता है थेपला
थेपला,
एंड
हाँ.
दही
Yeah, or thepla and chundo.
छुंदो also
Yeah. Chundo is like a sweet pickle.
yeah
Okay,
It's
nice.
yummy.
And your favorite Sindhi food?
I've not eaten
You've
much.
only had,
you
yeah.
only made me. Aloo tuk I like. I like dal pakwan.
Yeah.
Sindhi curry I had once. Now I don't remember the taste. So you have to make me have again.
What
Yeah.
else? I think you would like Selmani.
I think we should go have Sindhi food today.
Let's go have Sindhi food.
Yes.
To Bhagat Tara Chand. Actually, don't
She
know what's
doesn't
there in
know.
this area. Let me check and then we can see where to go have Sindhi food.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, since you're
Okay,
talking about food, we are gonna play something where we have to have this
ये क्या है
lemon juice, lime juice.
मेरे को क्यों टॉर्चर किया जा रहा है इस पॉड पे
And guys, it's the
Wait,
first,
don't keep this plate here,
yeah,
Chandri.
first time on the pod we are like eating or
Drinking something, yeah.
Wow, I'm special यार I feel good यार
First time.
Only for you.
Like we have this bowl of chips.
Special torture.
bowl of chits, and everyone picks out one, like reads it out and answers. If they can't answer, they take
Then
a
you take a sip.
I
Not
will
the whole
answer
shot.
everything
sip. Are you sure about it?
yeah
Okay,
I'm
everyone
not
can
gonna
answer.
have this
She's saying no. She's
Let's
like, you
see,
can't.
bro. Let's see.
pick one
Okay.
Ah,
I'm
I'm
stressed.
scared.
Okay.
Okay, so mine is
तो
very easy. I'm gonna answer. The person you would text if you were lonely. Yeah, I would text Riya or Sahil.
Easy.
easy
Very easy. Go, can I?
okay my thing is like my question is the thing you're most insecure about
Yeah.
okay so I feel like I have a lot of stage fear like talking in front of an audience so that is my insecurity like I feel like I can't talk in front of an audience but I will face that
Have you
fear
tried it?
so now I'm gonna try like you will know in some days I'm
Oh
doing
my
something
Oh.
yeah that is my little insecurity but I think I'm gonna face it
You will. I
Yeah.
feel you will kill it because
Like,
you're very chill.
yeah, that is there like
This was a great audience.
Also, one more thing, I feel like this side of my profile is very bad. That is why I've sat on this side. That is also my insecurity. But yeah, okay. 2 answers I gave. Now
Too
what?
good.
Good.
Too good. My question is the boundary you're bad at keeping. I have many boundaries I'm bad at keeping.
Okay.
But I would say that I am bad at saying no. Like people step on me a lot because I want to make them happy.
Us
And I
good.
let them. because I want to make
Bro, I feel
yeah. I don't know
Yeah.
what do I say, how to not
Yeah.
hurt their feelings.
Yeah.
this. It's okay, you learn.
Yeah.
धीरे-धीरे.
Someday.
You are learning.
I'm getting thoda better at it. Yeah.
ये तो easy है. ये क्या question लग
There
रहा
are the
है
tough ones,
Very,
girl.
very.
She's like, there are. Okay, let's see.
Should I put it here?
Yeah, keep now.
The worst thing you've done while in love. What's the worst thing I've done?
I'll tell you. Yeah.
What do you mean?
I don't know.
मेरा तो question बहुत अच्छा है. मुझे मजा आ रहा है answer करके.
I don't know mine. I have to think थोड़ा.
Question तो बताएगी ना लेकिन.
Yeah.
तुम लोग नहीं बता पा रहे हो अपना आंसर. मैं बता दूं.
हाँ से.
ठीक है. My question is the pettiest thing you've done after a breakup. मेरे को तो लगता है बहुत अच्छी चीज है. ठीक है, petty नहीं है. मैं तो सब चीजें जला दी थी जो भी उसने मुझे गिफ्ट दिया ना कि
Oh, great.
forgot.
Actually, you did that?
Yeah.
Oh crazy.
Yeah, I did it. Because यार मैं बहुत रोई यार. It was not worth it. तो मैंने
Yeah,
जला दिया सब
fair.
जो भी
Maybe
मिला.
this is not a worst thing but a bad thing. I just remember. Like creating a fight if I want attention.
Question तो बोल पहले.
This is not bad.
That's bad. That's too
Chalega,
bad.
bro, it's
I'm
normal.
using the person that way, like my emotions. That's
Chalega, I
bad.
get that. That's a
not
little
bad.
normal. If you want
Like now-
attention, everyone fights thoda. yaar,
Now
for
I
attention.
realize I shouldn't. I shouldn't. Like, because the
Bro, ये
person
तो
also
बहुत
knows
normal है.
anything.
Like अभी भी कर.
Normal
मैं तो
है.
अभी भी करती हूँ.
That's what I'm saying.
क्या देखो?
Yeah, I say also today I'm fighting because I want attention. Give attention.
Yeah.
No?
मैं
No, but I
झगड़ा
get
करती
annoyed
हूँ.
when the other person does it. Like, I know you want attention, that's why you're trying to create a fight with me, so stop it.
I think Kanchi, you should be the boy in the relationship.
Can I tell you this? Every time she tells me a relationship problem now first, I always tell her that you are the man in the relationship. She is the man in her relationship.
Yeah?
Yeah, bro, yeah. Yeah, she
You are
is.
missing out on so much, यार. Girl, you have to be that girl.
I'm
Like,
also
you
that girl
Do
who-
that. कि why are you doing this?
I am that also.
Then if he loves you, he's like,
No,
करेगा
I'm
ये
that
सब.
girl who doesn't say sorry.
no, I am the one who says sorry all the time. Like every time we fight.
Every time you fight, you say sorry.
Like not every time, of course.
But you apologize.
Apologize. मैं आज जल्दी जाती हूँ ना कि ठीक है.
I also apologize, but not as much as my boyfriend. He
Okay, read
apologizes
out.
more. The habit you know is ruining your life. I want to say
I know the answer.
procrastination. Like I feel these are easy, yaar. I feel that like I procrastinate. Even if I have to exercise, I'll procrastinate. If I have to eat healthy, I'll procrastinate. If I have to wake up early, I'll procrastinate. Like if I just didn't think about it twice, I just did it.
Just get
it
up
would
and
be
do it.
easier.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just need to do it.
मेरा भी है I think ये थोड़ा सा
Yeah.
problem.
Then when I do it, I'm happy. I'm proud of myself.
I तो don't do it only. I just keep thinking about it.
Someone
That's
needs
so
to
real.
take a shot, yaar.
Yeah, bro.
कुछ भी नहीं यार.
The fear
What
you
are these questions? Boo. Oh my god. Mic हिल गया थोड़ा सा.
The fear you never admit out loud. No, I have spoken about all my fears. I'm scared of lifts, I'm scared of crowd, I'm scared of like closed rooms.
She just wants us to take a shot now.
Yeah, bro
There's
क्या हो
nothing.
रहा है?
If I'm scared of it, I'll tell you. Yeah, bro.
Okay, mine is the reason your last relationship ended. My last relationship.
You don't remember
Arre,
also.
it was a decided thing.
No, that was not the last. The reason my last relationship ended was because the boy was very immature. I barely knew him and I just jumped into it for no reason. He wasted my time. And then, yeah,
Great.
we lived in different cities. It was basically time pass only. 2 months ka kuch bhi tha.
Okay, it's my time to drink, I think.
Oh, what is that?
I'm not gonna say this.
Chal, if I can't answer, it means I have to take a sip. Yeah.
Okay.
Like, I don't remember the time when I went on a first date.
Okay.
You don't remember? What is this?
I'll tell you why later.
The situationship you never fully healed from.
Yeah, that's too bad. It's good at first, but then it's too bad.
The truth you're avoiding right now is this.
Oh, you don't want to say?
That was a bad round for everyone.
Yeah.
देख मैं सिर्फ ये सिर्फ इसलिए पिया क्योंकि मैंने किसी में भी सिप नहीं पिया इसलिए ठीक है फॉर फुटेज
Okay.
Real.
ये क्या है ये टट्टी है टट्टी
That was so bad.
The
Sorry.
toxic trait you pretend you don't have.
ये क्या क्वेश्चन है शादीशुदा हूँ इसमें क्या क्वेश्चन है someone you still think about at night I think about my husband all the time. There is nobody entering my brain. Okay, I'll show you a message. Give me my phone. I'll show it on camera. ठीक है, मैंने मेरे husband को लिखा है, just can't stay away. What is this यार? What is your problem? Why you keep running in my mind, my heart, my soul? I've written everything.
Oh,
Okay.
that's so cute. And
That's
even
so
the
cute.
chat wallpaper is so cute.
Show the
Oh yeah,
chat
you
was-
saw it.
So cute.
Oh my god, I'm showing a personal chat. Baby, I love you.
This is a
Right now also you're in my mind. Okay, see?
oh yours, so you can't answer. Chalo, drink.
Which content creator gets on your nerves the most? Can I say Kanchi and just end the
No,
conversation?
no, no. Have it. दिल ना दिया
Okay.
अरे बेटा
Ayo.
Why am I getting on life lessons only?
What the
The
hell is
biggest
this
mistake
question?
you keep repeating.
मैं तो ये आंसर नहीं कर पाऊंगी
What is it?
मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी
I am taking a sip. I
Read
don't.
the question though.
The question is the last person you stalked online. I'm not going to answer this. I'll take a
Sip.
full
I'm not. Yeah, even I'll take a sip.
Mine is the ick that instantly turns you off. What instantly turns me?
It's a weird kind of
It's
lime
very
juice.
bad, yeah. What turns me off?
The ick,
turns you on.
I know. The ick that instantly turns you off
Say.
when someone like has bad grammar.
Yeah, bro, fucking learn.
यार ऐसा मत कर यार सब लोग है ना बचपन से ऐसे नहीं होते कि भाई सब लोग पढ़ाई में ध्यान नहीं देते और बड़े उनको रियलाइज होता है बड़े होके रियलाइज
Maybe
होता है
they should
कि मे बी हम लोग ये चीज में मिस आउट कर रहे हैं
Last two. So who will take these?
Can I take one?
And we'll share one.
We'll share one, yeah.
मैं ये ले रही हूँ
You're the guest, na? That's right.
The thing you settle for but shouldn't. Again, life lesson to me.
मेरा बताती हूँ ठीक है द रेड फ्लैग यू ब्रिंग इनटू रिलेशनशिप्स आई फील लाइक आई ड्रैग अ सिचुएशन फॉर टू लॉन्ग लाइक इफ आई ड्रैग अ फाइट फॉर टू लॉन्ग मतलब ऐसे आई विल होल्ड ऑन टू इट टिल द टाइम आई फील लाइक ओके नाउ इट्स टाइम टू लेट इट गो ऐसा बट देन वो था ऐसे पहले तो बहुत ऐसे में 2 3 4 दिन तक चलाती थी बट नाउ इट हैज कम डाउन टू 1 day
Bro, that's too much.
I am you, you are me, we are us.
लाइक मैं करती थी पहले बट आई एम थोड़ा सेन पहले मैं थोड़ी थी
Now you're being able to forgive and forget.
yeah
Now are you the types that like then it gets done in the night, like you have to clear it before you go to sleep?
yeah so that happens like I feel like with me like my husband is that way like he'll come and talk so that I don't sleep like that so he is the
Okay, cute.
yeah that
He'll fix it.
he'll fix
He
it
seems very calm and put together and
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है भाई काम वाम नहीं है वो काम वाम नहीं है भाई सिर्फ लगता है ऐसा मेरी पर्सनालिटी लगती है ऐसी बट वो भी ऐसा है ही इज वेरी मतलब छोड़ो अब क्या नहीं मेरा हस्बैंड बहुत अच्छा है
No, say na.
नहीं ना मतलब थोड़ा ऐसा नहीं है कि ऐसे ही इज वेरी शांत बट ऐसा शांत नहीं है वो मेरे साथ तो नहीं है शांत ठीक है इंस्टाग्राम पे है शांत वो बस ठीक है नहीं बता रही हूँ मैं नहीं बता रही ऐसा
I told them.
One answer.
What do the thing you settle for but you shouldn't?
कितने सैड हो गए तुम लोग ये दोनों ये
Yeah.
Do you sometimes let go of a situation even when you feel like I'm not okay with it ऐसा not okay with letting
No,
go
she'll fight.
ऐसा मैं करती हूँ कभी कभी ऐसा बिकॉज आई फील लाइक मेरा बहुत लंबा चलता है ऐसा सब
Yeah.
इसलिए मैं बोली कि नहीं बस हो जाएगा ठीक है ओके गिव इट टाइम ऐसा
I had lemon juice.
That means I have to have.
I just don't know what my answer
Yeah,
is.
like we need to think about things like this.
Like this is a little
Yeah.
हमारा
It's
क्वेश्चन
not a rapid fire.
वही मैं जो
Yeah.
मैं आंसर कर रही हूँ तुम लोग के लिए
Before we leave, you need to give us like we do this thing called Richie recommends.
yeah I know
Oh, you know.
Yeah, I know
Okay,
about
girl.
She's an avid watcher.
Yeah. Give us something, like recommend something.
Like
TV,
to watch?
show, anything. Whatever you like.
okay so I recently watched this show on Netflix called Finding Her Edge
We thought you were going to say what
We were going to say because we recently watched a show on Netflix.
oh what was the show then I'll complete
Taskari.
Taskari I did not see abhi tak so it's about ice dancers
Oh.
and it's like it's really
Is it
good.
like a dance movie? Like
It is somewhat, but it's like they मैं बता नहीं सकती वरना ऐसा पूरा feel हो
okay.
जाएगा.
I think I've seen, and I haven't seen it, but I've seen Finding Her Edge on Netflix.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
I've
yeah.
seen thoda.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, it's really good.
Like ice skating wala
Yeah,
dance.
ice dancers बोलते हैं.
I would love to watch that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
watch
we
it,
both
watch it.
would like it.
Like there's drama also, then there's
Okay.
love also,
Very
then
cute.
there's so much like intense feelings also. It's really nice.
Cute. Good
Yeah.
recommendation because I will actually watch this.
We will.
Yeah.
Guys, today what happened when Riya and I were discussing what we want to recommend, we both said the same thing at the same time.
We have the same recommendation.
Yeah, and I had prepared it in my mind.
Even I had, because today we shot so many episodes. I was
Yeah.
like, one of the episodes I will recommend this.
And now we have the same thing.
So, wanna say?
Say, since you wanted to.
Our recommendation is Taskari. It's basically another word for
About
smuggling.
customs. Yeah.
And so it's about customs in Mumbai airport, and it's very interesting, like the way they catch smugglers and what people smuggle and how they smuggle and how they
the
have.
way they take it with them on the flight. That's
Bro,
the
yeah,
craziest.
the way they carry it with them, where they hide
yeah.
it in the plane, and
They
then how
eat
they
it, they
What?
like-
gold
Yeah,
bars,
yeah.
like they stuff gold bars in like coffins. They eat.
तो
they
पूरा ही
eat
बता दे
drugs.
show.
Sorry.
sorry.
इसलिए तो मैंने बोला नहीं.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. No spoilers. No
Yeah.
more spoilers.
But it's a
very
good quick
interesting.
watch.
Have you watched this show called This Is Us?
Wait, I have, I think, but long ago.
Same. I've watched a couple
Yeah.
of seasons. I cried while watching it.
Bro, like I have cried. Like बहुत अच्छा है वो.
What's your
love it.
didn't finish it, though,
favorite show?
of all time.
I love Ginny and Georgia. मैंने अभी देखा. मैंने बहुत टाइम तक देखा नहीं था उसको. मतलब कब से आया ना वो
Yeah.
तो. But मैं अभी recently देखा and I was hooked onto it like for the longest.
I'll watch Ginny and Georgia.
You've not watched?
I don't think so. No, it's on Netflix only.
Yeah,
I
we've spoken
think.
about it. I've recommended
you
it
watched
also.
it,
Yeah.
Even This Is Us, I like अभी मैंने बहुत सारे seasons नहीं देखे हैं, but that is like the family and then the 3 kids.
Yeah.
One kid is adopted and
You've seen Modern Family?
like season है ना उसमें भी
Yeah,
बहुत
there
सारे
are
ना-
many seasons.
Yeah, no.
You
मतलब
would love
थोड़ा
it.
थोड़ा
You would
देखा
like
है
it,
मैंने.
I
You would
feel.
actually
Yeah,
love it.
it's like it's a funny
Family,
show
yeah,
ना.
yeah.
I
Fun
have seen it
family
little bit.
Cute, very cute show it is. Kanchi is watching my favorite show at the moment.
Yes, Grey's Anatomy. And I'm hooked. I can't put it down.
I've been telling her for 4 years. Please, Kanchi, watch it. Please, Kanchi. Now today she's watching. She's like, Riya, I can't stop. What do I
I'm
do?
waiting to go home and watch it.
As you should be.
Yeah. That was our episode.
Thank you, Kenna, for coming on the pod. We genuinely had so much fun with you.
Did you have
She's so cool, bro.
So much fun. So much fun. ऐसे मैं इतनी छोटी लड़कियों से इतनी देर तक बातें कर सकी हूँ. So cute यार.
Like, share, comment, subscribe, follow Kenna, follow us on Instagram, subscribe to us on YouTube, listen to us on Spotify.
And we will see you same time, same place next week.
Bye.